Cutting down pool maintenance costs is all about smart choices, like switching your pool to a saltwater system instead of using traditional chlorine. So, here's the deal. A saltwater pool isn't actually filled with ocean-level salty water, but it uses salt to create chlorine naturally, which means you don't have to buy those chlorine tablets all the time. That upfront cost might seem high, like mine was $2,300, but it seriously saves about $900 a year on chemicals alone. Plus, the water feels way nicer, no more burning eyes or dry skin that you get from regular chlorine pools. If you're just starting out with a pool, like me, getting the salt system early means no regrets later when you realize how much easier it is. Another tip? Keep your pool covered when you're not using it to avoid dirt and evaporation, which also cuts down chemical use. Regularly checking your pool's pH levels helps keep everything balanced and stops you from wasting money on fixing bigger problems. And don't forget to clean the filters often. Dirty filters mean your pump works harder and uses more electricity. Finally, try to run your pump during off-peak hours if you can. It saves on your electric bill. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool maintenance costs is ignoring the pH balance and letting it get out of whack. That just leads to more chemical use and potential damage. Fix this by testing your water at least once a week and adjusting with pH increasers or reducers when needed. Another common problem is skipping regular filter cleaning, which makes your pump work overtime and spikes electricity bills. Cleaning or backwashing your filter regularly keeps everything running smoothly. Lastly, many folks don't cover their pools when not in use, which wastes water and chemicals through evaporation. Just grab a decent pool cover and toss it on whenever you're done swimming. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place for homeowners looking to find trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who need their services and keep the work coming.